median of individual series data for odd number of data points. This is the data set of the number of clinic visits in the last year of a sample of 9 children in Zaria. This is an individual series data because each number here represents the data from one child. Let's find the median of this data. Remember that we said the median is a measure of central tendency that indicates the middle point of a data set. So our task here is simply to find the middle point. To do this, we need to first arrange the data in ascending or descending order. I prefer the ascending order because it's just logical. So here we'll have 0, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So our number of data elements n is 9, and this is an odd number. Awesome. Now, because our data values are already arranged in order, it will be easy to pick out the middle value. All we need to know is its position. Well, there is a simple formula for this. The median position is given by n plus 1 divided by 2. Notice that there is a th up here. This means that whatever we find here is just the position of the median and not the median itself. So the median position will be n, which is 9, plus 1, all divided by 2. That's 10 divided by 2, which will give us 5. So our median is going to be on the 5th position. Awesome. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the value of our median is 3. Easy peasy. So this is how to easily compute the median for individual series data. Now, if you've gained value with this video, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and share this with your friends and colleagues to help them. Now, if you want to learn how to compute the mean for different series data, check out this video here. And for the mode, check out this other video right here. See you in the next video. And as always, thanks for watching.